नमस्कार, मैं पूनम साहू, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर मनसा कॉलेज ऑफ एजुकेशन भिलाई से आप सबका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल ई लर्निंग विद पूनम में स्वागत करती हूँ। आज मैंने टॉपिक का डिस्कशन कर लिया है वो है एजुकेशनल रिसर्च, शैक्षिक अनुसंधान। एमएड सेकंड सेमेस्टर में रिसर्च कंपलसरी पेपर यूनिट 1 का फर्स्ट टॉपिक है एजुकेशनल रिसर्च। आज हम इसके बारे में मीनिंग, इसका कंसेप्ट और इसके जनरल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स के बारे में समझेंगे। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का टॉपिक। एजुकेशनल रिसर्च, शैक्षिक अनुसंधान को जानने से पहले ये जानना जरूरी है कि रिसर्च क्या है, अनुसंधान क्या है। सो द टर्म रिसर्च कंसिस्ट ऑफ two words, re and search. Re means again and again, and search means to find out something. So the research is a process of which a person observes the phenomena again and again and collects the data, and on the basis of data he draws some conclusion. Next, definition of research. According to Rusk, research is a point of view, an attitude of inquiry, or a frame of mind. That means research adds to the scientific knowledge of the subject. According to J. Morley, a systematic and scholarly application of the scientific method is a research. कहने का मतलब ये है कि रिसर्च एक साइंटिफिक मेथड और प्रोसेस है जो कि सिस्टेमैटिक वे से एप्लीकेबल किया जाता है और जिससे हम हमारे कंक्लूजन तक पहुंचते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज जनरल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ रिसर्च। फॉलोइंग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ रिसर्च आर: फर्स्ट, इट गैथर्स new knowledge or data from primary or first-hand sources. It places emphasis upon the discovery of general principles. It is an exact, systematic, and accurate investigation. It uses certain valid data gathering devices. It is logical and objective process. The researcher resists the temptation to see only the data that supports his hypothesis. Research is patient and unhurried activity. Research is carefully recorded and reported documents. Conclusion and generalization are arrived at carefully and cautiously. Next is educational research. Educational research is a branch of research. शैक्षिक अनुसंधान रिसर्च का एक ऐसा ब्रांच है जिसमें शिक्षा के बारे में जितने भी क्वेश्चन आते हैं उनका आंसर हमको एजुकेशनल रिसर्च में मिलता है। मतलब एजुकेशनल रिसर्च में हम बार बार फाइंड आउट करते हैं जो भी हम एजुकेशन, शिक्षा से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चनिंग हम करते हैं, जो भी हम जानना चाहते हैं, क्या, क्यों और कैसे, जो साइंस का एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट है, जो खोज का एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट है, वो शिक्षा से संबंधित अगर हम कोई क्वेश्चन करते हैं, क्या, क्यों और कैसे, ये कहाँ से आया, कैसे आया, क्यों आया, उस सब का आंसर हमको एजुकेशनल रिसर्च पे मिलता है। सो डेफिनेशन ऑफ एजुकेशनल रिसर्च, फर्स्ट इज द educational research is the name for a type of procedure employed in answering thought questions about education. Next is the according to Travers, educational research is that activity which is directed towards the development of science of behavior in educational research. According to Murray, The final purpose of educational research is to ascertain principles and develop procedures in field of education. 4 levels of educational research. First is the data collection. Researchers of this type are used to answer the following type of questions: what is happening? What is the problem? Is this what I want to happen? Is this what should happen? Level 2, internal validity. At this level, following types of questions are answered: what is happening? Am I causing it? Can I change it? Level 3rd, this is the third level of educational research, is external validity. At this level, researchers are performed to answer questions of the following type: will the same things happen under different circumstances? How far can the results be generalized? And the last level, an important level of educational research, is level. Next and last and the most important level of educational research is theoretical research. At this level, researchers attempts to answer question of the following types: is there some underlying principles at work? So, we see the 4 levels of educational research: data collection, internal validity, external validity, and theoretical research. Next is specific characteristics of educational research. The first main characteristics of educational research is a sound philosophy is the basis of research. According to Rusk, in the application of scientific procedure to education, a sound philosophy as well as a sound commons must be invoked to save the scientific procedure from itself. Next is the educational research is based on insight and imagination. That means educational research is based on our imagination. हम क्या सोचते हैं, हमारे अंदर क्या, हम क्या सोच रहे हैं और हमारी इमेजिनेशन क्या है, उस पे हमारा जो एजुकेशनल रिसर्च होता है वो बेस्ड होता है. ठीक है, उस पर ही आधारित होता है. Next is the educational research requires an interdisciplinary approach. Educational research is not the mere description of elementary and isolated facts of nature. It must be related to the study of complex relationship of various facts. It requires an interdisciplinary approach. Next characteristics of educational research is educational research usually employs deductive reasoning process. That means the famous psychologist Eric Haller writes in The Nature of Functions of Educational Research, the science of mind commonly use methods of description, explanation, interpretation, sympathetic or intuitive understanding methods, which are mainly speculative and deductive in character and which rarely furnish results that can be subjected to the measurement or mathematically procedure. Next is the educational research should come out of a desire to do things better. Better education means better development or formulation of instructional aims, better motivation of pupil, better teaching methods, better evaluation, and better supervision and administration. These are activities or operations. Next, educational research is not as exact as research in physical science. No two human beings have ever been found to be alike. No scientific investigation of human behavior, even those of so-called identical twins, have resulted in the finding of individual. So, today we discuss what is research and what is educational research. So, I hope you all students understand research and educational research. So, wait for my next video. Till then, bye.